Hello friends, how are you? Very good. I hope you will be fine at your home. How is your preparation? Exam preparation? You should prepare well because in this situation, your responsibility, your dedication toward your study and your helpful nature for your family is very much important. Besides study, you have to help your parents, your brother and sisters. Okay, today we'll discuss important topic, that preparation of alcohol. In the last class already we discussed regarding the types of alcohol and phenol derivatives and ether. So what are the preparation of alcohol, how alcohol is prepared from different organic compounds, we'll discuss. So first we prepare alcohol from alcohol. General formula is ROH. This is alcohol. Alcohol is ROH. I cannot prepare this. Already know that first preparation, let it be from haloalkane, from RX. From RX it can be prepared like this. If you take alcohol and reacts with aqueous KOH, or you can use silver oxide and water, moist silver oxide, sodium hydroxide, that you can say aqueous silver hydroxide. You can say this. You will get corresponding alcohol. This is your first preparation of alcohol from haloalkane, aqueous KOH. Already we have read in haloalkane chapter, if you use alcoholic KOH, then you will get alkene, not your alcohol. So aqueous KOH is very important for the preparation of alcohol from haloalkane. Any alcohol can be prepared using aqueous KOH and haloalkane. Second preparation, that is from alkene. From alkene also you can prepare alcohol. How? You take any alkene, let it be like this, plus your aqueous, that means water in presence of acid, diluted acid. Here the acid is generally used as your sulfuric acid. If you use this one, then you will get corresponding alcohol. Water has H and OH, that is your partially minus and partially plus. So one side hydrogen will be added, other side will be OH. So this is your ethanol. So preparation of ethene. This is ethene. From alkene, this is called hydration. This reaction is called hydration of alkene. Name is hydration of alkene. You can write down, this is your different color pen. This is one important reaction. Hydration of alkene always gives alcohol. This alkene, if you use that, this is symmetrical. If you use unsymmetrical alkene, this alkene is unsymmetrical. Unsymmetrical means around double bond, one methyl is here there is no methyl group, so it is unsymmetrical. You have to see across double bond. around double bond, what are the group attached? Here group is methyl, is no methyl. So it is called unsymmetrical. This unsymmetrical alkene, when undergo hydrolysis in presence of acid, produce, it obey Markovnikov's rule. Remember, it is very important that the OH minus added to which carbon? The carbon having less number of hydrogen. This is 2-propanol. This is 2-propanol. This is very important that propene convert to 2-propanol. So that is one important. Then another method. This is the first method, that is from alkene by hydrolysis method. Second is that you can use that from alkene hydroboration. Hydroboration method. Hydroboration method means you have to use boron hydride. Suppose you use your CH3, CH double bond CH2 in presence of boron hydride. Boron hydride always written as B2S6, but you can write also B2S6, boron hydride. Then in the second step, after second step hydrolysis, the product is alcohol. Alcohol produced and remaining will be boron hydride. So remaining is orthoboric acid. So here mainly BS3 take part in the reaction step by step as boron. If you see BS3, mainly BS3 take part. This BS3 boron carry, that boron is electron deficient, hydrogen will be here electron rich. So what happens? Boron attack the one carbon atom forming carbocation ion. This carbocation will be added by H minus and forming what? Alcohol. But here he asks BS3, you have to use, if you balance it, if you take BS3, 3 mole will be produced. Generally, remember 3 mole always produce 3 moles because boron containing 3 hydrogens, so 3 hydrogen replaced by what? Alkene. That's why 3 mole of alcohol is produced. This is called hydroboration method. This method is very important method. Very important method preparation of alkene, that is hydroboration. So this is the method from alkene. Then we can prepare from that aldehyde and ketone, from aldehyde and ketone, from aldehyde ketone. From aldehyde and ketone it can be prepared by first method is you can use that reduction. Reduction means you have to use different reducing agent. Suppose any aldehyde, take CHO aldehyde on nickel and hydrogen, produce alcohol like this. You take ketone, same, either nickel hydrogen, what are the other, that is lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride. So many reducing agent you can use, either nickel hydrogen, sodium borohydride, lithium aluminum hydride, all reduces aldehyde ketone to what? Same reduction produces, same reagent produces here secondary alcohol. This is your primary alcohol, this is your secondary alcohol. So you can prepare this one primary alcohol. So ketone always produces secondary alcohol and aldehyde always gives primary alcohol. This is very important, that method in the preparation of primary secondary alcohol from aldehyde and ketone. So another method you can use the preparation of aldehyde ketone from aldehyde ketone, that is from RMGX. What is RMGX? RMGX is called Grignard's reagent. Very important reagent, already you have read. This reagent is prepared from haloalkane by action with magnesium. When RX reacts with magnesium forming RMGX, this is called Grignard's. This reagent can synthesize all types of organic compounds. All types of organic compounds synthesized from this Grignard's reagent. How? You see, suppose you take formaldehyde, that HCHO, when RMGX, that product is, first reaction is, you have to see like this, CH2, then OMGX, then R will be attached. Here what happens? Here R is partial negative and here it is positive. So what happens? Or it is minus and plus. If you see, then minus attack to carbon as a nucleophile. Here R minus attack to carbon as a nucleophile, because already you know aldehyde ketone shows nucleophilic addition reaction. This reaction is called nucleophilic addition reaction. Nucleophilic addition reaction. That's the first product is RCH2MGX. When it undergo hydrolysis, then product is RCH2OH. Main product is, this is your primary alcohol. So formaldehyde gives primary alcohol, but if you use acetaldehyde, that CH3CHO, same first step is your RMGX, and second step, suppose first step, second step is water, then product will be, if you see already CH3 there, then R will be attached. So CH3, then another R attached to CH2H. This is your secondary alcohol. So formaldehyde, this is your formaldehyde or methanol. Methanol gives your alcohol, that is one alcohol depends on R, the name of alcohol depends on R. And your acetaldehyde, that is higher carbon, always produce secondary alcohol. But if you use acetone, instead of aldehyde, you take acetone in the first step and second step. First step is your RMGX and second step is your hydrolysis. The product will be, R will be added here. Then the product will be CH3R, COH. We have to see there is no change in the alkyl group. 2CH3 already present, only extra R will be here, R minus will be come to here. Here similarly R minus to come here. So there is addition of one alkyl, extra alkyl group will be added. So that's why primary, this is tertiary alcohol. Preparation of tertiary, secondary and primary alcohol from Grignard's reagent using aldehyde and ketone. So from aldehyde ketone we can prepare the alcohol by reduction method, and this what? That using Grignard's reagent. Then a very important method, that from aldehyde ketone, from ester and acid also you can prepare from ester. From ester we can prepare also. First is reduction method. If you take one ester, COOCH3, that is one ester, when undergo reduction is very important. Reducing agent is for only this case, only lithium aluminum hydride. But you cannot use sodium borohydride and nickel hydrogen. Always lithium aluminum hydride is the best reducing agent, which reduces alcohol to what? That ester to alcohol. As CO, it will be 2 part. First is 2 carbon, that is ethanol will be produced, plus remaining 1 carbon, that is methanol. So So what is the conclusion? During the reduction of ester, always produce alcohol. The alcohol product, the formation of alcohol depends upon the formula of ester used. As CH3C, so ethanol and methanol. If you take CH3CO C2H5, only ethanol is produced. So depends upon the formula. This is very important. Reduction of ester producing alcohol. Second method already you know, that is hydrolysis. Hydrolysis of ester. Ester can be hydrolyzed in presence of acid or base. Or this is ester. Ester can be hydrolyzed in presence of acid and acid. First step is acid. Acid means sulfuric acid used. You cannot use hydrochloric acid. Only sulfuric acid can use as a what? Acid catalysis. And product is acid plus methanol. And the depends upon alcohol, the formation of alcohol depends upon the formula. As the right side R is CH3, so methanol is produced. If it will be C2H5, these are, then product will be ethanol. And first part will be acid. First part will be acid. So this is called hydrolysis of ester. But this ester can hydrolyze in presence of base also. So you can use this one, CH3, COO. Suppose C2H5 in presence of base hydrolysis, product will be CH3, COO, and salt will be produced because you have taken base, and remaining will be alcohol, ethanol. So this is also very important preparation. This preparation is what? Ester, and this hydrolysis is called saponification. This method is called saponification. You write down in different color pen so you can remember, you can note down this point so that you can later practice. Ester, what is the name of ester? Ethyl acetate. This ester when undergo hydrolysis in presence of base produce salt and alcohol. This is called saponification. So ester can produce alcohol. It depends upon the first step is either by reductions or by hydrolysis. So this is the preparation of alcohol from acid, alcohol ester. From acid, I can prepare from acid. From acid also you can prepare. From acid you can prepare alcohol only by reactions. You take any acid RCOH, undergo reduction, same lithium aluminum hydride, product is RCH2H, alcohol. You can prepare alcohol by reduction from acid. Similarly, we can prepare from acid derivative, acid and acid derivative. Acid derivative. Any acid derivative, suppose you take that acid anhydride. If you take acid anhydride, and same reductions, and product will be RCH2H. If you see, the product will be, all product will be alcohol. Alcohol will be produced, alcohol and water, both alcohol and water. So this is from acid derivative you can prepare alcohol. Another, you can prepare alcohol from amines. From amines. It can be prepared by, suppose you take any amine, aliphatic amine with HNO2, nitrous acid, the product will be alcohol. Here what happens, nitrous acid will be combined like this. This will be O, this will be OH. So, like this. So, product is alcohol plus nitrogen plus water. So, amine produce alcohol by reaction with nitrous. But nitrous acid cannot be used directly. Instead of nitric acid, nitrous acid you can use. sodium nitrite and HCl. This is very important. We cannot store nitrous acid in the laboratory. So we can use sodium nitrite HCl and produce alcohol. So this is from amines, from acid, aldehyde, ketone, and from using Grignard's reagent, that from alkene, from haloalkane, from aldehyde ketone. Okay, so in this way you can prepare. And another very important commercial method I will tell you, that I will finish this one like this. Commercially. How alcohol can be prepared commercially? You know that is spirit, ethanol. Ethanol can be prepared by commercially. How can you prepare ethanol? First step, if you take starch formula is C. So we can prepare alcohol commercially if we use starch C6H10O5 whole bracket N. This is called starch. Starch when undergo hydrolysis in presence of acid, undergo hydrolysis, produce. Here what happens? Which enzyme is invertase? Enzyme is invertase, produce sucrose. Sucrose formula is C12H22O11. This is sucrose. So starch on hydrolysis produce sucrose. Then sucrose send C12H22O11 when reacts with enzyme diastase, DIASTASE, diastase. When reacts with diastase, produce that glucose and fructose. Glucose formula is C6H12O6 plus C6H12O6. This is one is glucose, another is fructose. This is called diastase. Okay? Then glucose C6H12O6 reacts with zymase. Glucose reacts with zymase enzyme, produce ethanol, C2H5OH. Main product is ethanol and carbon dioxide. So that this is a commercial starch. Starch we know, starch is made of what? Alpha glucose. Starch is made of alpha glucose. So starch convert to sucrose first by enzyme invertase. Then sucrose will convert to glucose and fructose by enzyme diastase. Then fructose reacts with zymase enzyme, produce ethanol. So from maltose also you can prepare alcohol. Maltose is the same formula, that maltose also you can use. Maltose formula is C12H22O11. That is maltose. Maltose is same as also sucrose, disaccharides. These are disaccharides. Maltose convert to maltase. Maltose will convert to glucose. Only glucose. C6H12O6. Maltose Maltase converts maltose to glucose. Then glucose can be converted to ethanol. So these are the very important method mainly used in industry. That again I am repeating that is starch. This is called starch. Starch. So starch convert to sucrose by enzyme invertase. You have to remember this. This is the hydrolysis invertase. Then starch, that is sucrose. Sucrose convert to glucose and fructose by the enzyme diastase. Then glucose reacts with enzyme gymnase produce alcohol, ethanol. But directly that maltose, from maltose also you can get, maltose is another product. Maltose, what happens? Maltose, the only difference, sucrose, maltose, the only difference in the configuration. But formula remains same. Maltose can be converted to glucose by using maltase, the name of enzyme. These are the enzyme, that is proteins. By using these proteins, we can convert the particular carbohydrate to what? Next lower carbohydrates. Then ultimately we can prepare alcohol, mainly ethanol. So these are very important method in the preparation of what? Commercial alcohol, that is ethanol. Ethanol is also called fuel alcohol. So it is also used by the industry as a solvent and also preparation of fuel. We are mixing ethanol in the petrol, in the for converting to improve the quality of the fuel. So these are the important methods of preparation of alcohol, from haloalkane, from alkene, from hydroboration, from aldehyde ketone by reduction method using Grignard's reagent, and from ester by reduction method, by hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis or base hydrolysis, that is saponification. Then from acid derivative by reduction method you can prepare alcohol. Then from amine also you can prepare alcohol by using nitrous acid, that is NaN2HCl. And commercially alcohol can be prepared from starch. We will convert to sucrose by using invertase enzyme. Then that sucrose can convert to glucose and fructose by using enzyme diastase. Then that glucose reacts with enzyme gymnase, convert to alcohol, that is ethanol. Or maltose can be converted to glucose using maltase. Then glucose can be converted to ethanol using the enzyme gymnase. So these are the important method of preparation of alcohol. In the next class, we will discuss the physical and chemical properties of alcohol. Okay, very good. Okay, thank you.